All right, let's be honest. How many times have you seen a photo of yourself and thought, yikes, that's not how I look in the mirror? Happens to the best of us. But here's the secret. Stunning photos aren't just about good lighting or expensive cameras. It's all in the posing. Today, I'm spilling my favorite tricks so you can pose like a pro and look your best in pics. Ready? Let's dive in. First up, posture. I know everyone says it, but it seriously works wonders. Stand up straight, roll your shoulders back, and imagine there's a string pulling you gently upwards from the top of your head. You'll look taller, slimmer, and way more confident instantly. Next, let's talk angles. Facing the camera head on? Meh, not the most flattering. Instead, twist your body just a touch, about 45 degrees. Pop 1 foot forward, shift your weight onto your back leg, and voila, you've created shape and dimension. Trust me, this trick is a game changer. Now, onto your face. The classic chin-up rule? Not so fast. Instead, gently push your chin and think of trying to hide a double chin even if you don't have one. It sharpens your jawline and makes your face pop in all the right ways. Let's talk hands. Ever feel awkward with them just dangling? Me too. Try giving your hands a purpose. Tuck one in your pocket, play with your hair, or hold onto a jacket or bag. Keep your fingers relaxed and avoid clenching. Stiff hands totally give away nerves. Here's a biggie. Eyes. Smile with your eyes, not just your mouth. Sounds weird, but it works. Think about something that genuinely makes you happy, or even give a little squint, like you're sharing an inside joke with the camera. It makes your smile look real, not forced. Quick tip for group shots. Never stand at the very end with your body flat to the camera, unless you want to look twice as wide. Angle yourself, lean in slightly, and you'll blend perfectly. And don't forget, movement is your friend. Instead of freezing stiff like a statue, try shifting your weight, taking a little step, or even laughing mid-shot. The best photos often come from those in-between moments when you're just being yourself. Finally, confidence really is your best filter. If you feel awkward, it'll show. So own your pose, have a giggle, and remember, nobody's perfect, but you can look amazing in your own way. All right, next time someone pulls out their phone, you're ready. Practice these tips, and soon, posing will feel second nature. Go on, strike that pose and let them see you shine. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your favorite posing tip in the comments. See you next time.